If you want to start saving on fuel, install a GoGreen APU thanks to the 4 kilowatt generator. And we have lines to your batteries so you don't get stuck on the winter with dead batteries. And this extra line, you can plug your block heater so you can warm up your engine before you start. And this is the APU with the friendlier service. Everything is accessible on this APU and friendly service. You can replace filters very easy. The oil filter is there. You can service it yourself. You don't have to go on expensive labor. You can do it yourself. Great belt tensioner that is controlling things. So Kubota engine, warranty, and the best capacity so you can start saving on fuel. But not only on fuel, I'm gonna give you one more reason why you should install an APU. You also save on engine maintenance because if you don't have to be running your truck idling all night long, the oil change it, you don't need it as frequent, you don't need to be checking injectors, valves, turbo, etc. Imagine the overhaul, all those kind of expensive things on the engine, you're gonna extend the life of those components. And tell me about the DPF, the DEF, the filters, how expensive they are, and when do they get damaged, when do they get stuck, when you have the truck always idling. And what do you think about the DPF, how expensive it is to clean it out, make the regens. So if you want to start saving on fuel and maintenance, GoGreen APU.